Hello all, and in this video we're going to be going over basic G position. So basic G position would be picking a chord in G. In every octave there is G position at least once. So in the last lecture we went over the G scale and finding all the G's. So to review, G number 2, and all the way up you're going to switch hands. And so on. So if you needed to see the hands, this is what I was doing. Two, G number 3, G number 4, and so on. So that's how we do those G scales. 2, actually this is G number 3, G number 4, G number 5, G number 6, G number 7. So that's how we found all the G's, and every octave, octaves 1 through 7 in this case, all of those have G position in them. Okay? So what we'll do in this position is basically teach you that is G position. That's actually the G position, what's called a cadence. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Okay, so the numbers that I just said were the chord position numbers. The one chord in G is G major, G, B, D. And then the 4 in the key of G is C. Back to 1, which is G. 5, that's a D chord. And back to 1, which is G. So I would write this down. Here are the chords. Let's stop this share. So what you're going to do, I'm going to write this on the whiteboard here so you can see. What we're going to do is the G chords, I'm going to say chords in G position. I'm going to go like this. So G, C, G, D, G. So that, here are the chord numbers. So each chord has a number assigned to it related to the key that it's in. So this is chord number 1, the tonic. This is 4, 1, 5, 1. And then you would probably ask, well, what are the fingerings to these chords? Okay, let me go over here. Okay, so the fingerings for the G chord. 1, 3, 5. Fingerings for the 4 chord. 1, 3, 5 as well. And then, of course, 1, 3, 5 for 1 again. And I would go 1, 2, 5 for 5. So what I would do is I would just go 1, 2, 5. Here's the fingering for that. So these are chord numbers. Or chord degrees. These are fingering numbers. Okay? So those are your chords, those are your cadence chords, and your fingerings for the G position. So basic G position starts with the G, right? So that's basic G position. In the next video, we'll be going over middle G position, which is a little bit different. If you have any questions, please feel free to consult the Q&A. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one.